Don't go to Vietnam without knowing these tips. Hello, it's Leo. Here are 5 things you need to know before going to Vietnam. Starting with a very famous Pho Tan. I know it's already included in your itinerary, but let me just set your expectations first. You will have to share the table with strangers. If you're coming in as a group, it's likely that you will be separated from one another. Kasi ang ginagawa nila, once may maging vacant na seat, i-fill nila yon with the next person in line. Regardless kung may kasama ka, kung next ka, uupo ka. That is based on our experience. Next ay restrooms. Baka mahilo kayo kakahanap kasi most of the restroom signages are labeled WC. Not restroom, not CR, it's WC for water closet. This third one is already customary sa atin kaya hindi na kayo mahirapan gawin ito. Yung tawad culture. Everything naman is relatively cheap but you can still bargain nicely and respectfully to make it even cheaper. It wouldn't hurt to try. Speaking of cheaper prices, booking attractions in advance through Klook is a wise move, lalo na with discount codes. We booked our fancy pan tickets, sleeper bus, airport transfers, all with discounts using my code LEOSOLIEZAKLOK. If you have an upcoming trip or planning to book pa lang, you can still redeem this code in advance para easy access na lang later on kapag magbo-book na kayo. Lastly, from usapang cheap, eto medyo expensive. Eto medyo nagulat kami kasi around 5 days kaming nasanay na mura yung pagkain, yung bilihin. Pero pagdating sa airport, ang laki ng iminahal. Isang meal namin, may burger, may fries, may drink. It cost us 400 to 500 pesos per set. Although minsan gano'n din naman tayo gumastos dito sa Pilipinas. Pero this is just to point out na comparable talaga yung prices inside and outside ng airport ng Vietnam. So those are 5 Vietnam tips I have for you. If I miss anything, comment them below. Follow, like, share, and save this for your next trip. Again, it's Leo. Bye!